Ready to open the hood? Usetool for the tutorials.
And for car parts, the right idea is the Mr. Auto app. Easy, fast, and with better prices than on the website.
For this operation, get hold of the air filter that you will find in the video description. Turn your engine off. Pull up the handbrake. Pull on the bonnet release lever and open the bonnet. Take off the engine cover. You should now be able to easily see the airbox to change the filter. Using a flathead screwdriver, remove the electric connector from the airflow meter by pushing the tab and lifting the holding spur on the connector before pulling on the connector itself. Remove the breather hose by pushing down on the lateral tabs. Remove the 3 screws on the air filter flange with a Torx T25 screwdriver. Don't try to take them out. They stay in their housing even if they're not fixed in. Then take off the flange, separating it from the inlet conduit. Take out the old air filter.
Please support us, subscribe and like the video, that will be really cool.
Before putting in the new one, it is important to clean off the remaining impurities from inside the filter compartment. Take the new filter. Compare the new filter with the old one to ensure that they are identical. Put the filter back in place. Ensure that the rubber washer goes into the right place. This will help you put the flange back on more easily. To put the flange in, incline it so that the interlocking studs go in first. Then push it in so that it presses against the filter compartment. Put the air inlet conduit back in. Tighten up the 3 screws. Reconnect the breather. Plug the electrical connector back together. Finally, put the engine cover back in place. Operation completed.
Hello, if this video helped you, like and subscribe.